Welcome to Ancient Mysteries. Today we're diving into a fascinating question. How did the ancient Egyptians create those famous mummies, and why on earth did they remove the brain while keeping the heart? Let's start with the mummification process. It began with the removal of internal organs. The Egyptians believed that these organs would be needed in the afterlife, so they preserved them in special canopic jars, each dedicated to a specific organ. But here's where it gets interesting. They removed the brain through the nose using special hooks, shocking by today's standards. Why discard the brain? In ancient Egyptian philosophy, the brain wasn't considered very important. They thought emotions, intelligence, and the spirit all resided in the heart. That's why, when it came to mummification, the heart stayed right where it was, inside the body. It was seen as the core of a person's being, the seat of thought, feeling, and identity. And in the afterlife, the heart would be weighed against a feather during the weighing of the heart ceremony. If it was lighter than a feather, indicating a pure life, then the soul could pass into the afterlife. Pretty high stakes. Finally, the body was soaked in natron, a type of salt, to dehydrate it, and then wrapped carefully in linen. Amulets and charms were tucked in among the bandages for extra protection. The result? A mummy that could last for thousands of years, preserving not just a body but a belief system. So that's the secret behind why ancient Egyptians tossed out the brain and kept the heart. It was all about preparing for the afterlife and trusting that their emotions and intellect lived where they felt them most, in the heart. Subscribe for more lightning-fast journeys through the past.